it's pretty awesome. So I've got a curved ultra-wide as it is, and that thing is 2 times wider than mine.
What I noticed was that it had a very high refresh rate, but also a really high resolution. And I've never seen that in this format. Something this wide is extremely unique. And so having that complete immersion where you're able to see the entire screen and having your peripheral filled up with those high refresh rate monitor as well, that's amazing.
Inches of awesomeness. Now, this is able to do an awful lot of things that we're used to seeing in TV. Now, we have seen this monitor before. We have done a 49-inch curved monitor before, but this one has some improvements. All right, it is able to produce HDR 1000, which is high dynamic range contrast like we see, and you are able to split this actually into 2 monitors. Okay. So if you want to have one gigantic monitor in front of you because that's what the game that you're playing or whatever you're using the monitor for dictates, great.
Get him, get him, get him. We've been flanked.